Welcome to CueFlow. Before we dive into the POS, let's ensure you have the best view. For the most comfortable experience with CueFlow, we recommend setting your browser zoom to 80% or below. This gives you a better overview of all your tables at once. Now let's look at our Wiraka table card. It's designed to give you everything you need at a glance. You'll see icons for booking, upcoming bookings, set table reminders, and a cafe icon for adding snacks or drinks. To begin a session, simply click the blue Start button. Once the session starts, the timer begins running. From here, you can click Assign to link a customer to the session or Add Note for specific requests. If the players need a break, use the Pause button and hit Resume when they're ready to play again. When the game is over, click End. This immediately triggers the Process Bill pop-up. Here you can see the full price breakdown, including active playtime and any canteen orders. If the customer isn't ready to pay yet, you can simply close this pop-up. The bill won't disappear, it will be stored as a pending bill, indicated by the red notification badge at the top right of your table card.
Sometimes things get busy, and you might forget to start a table timer the moment the balls are broken. No problem. Click the Settings icon on the table card to open Set Manual Start Time. This allows you to set a pass time so your billing remains accurate. Just select the time the game actually began and click Set Start Time. Next, let's link a player to this session. Click Assign. You can quickly find regular players by searching for their name or phone number and selecting them from the list. If it's a first-time visitor, click the New Customer tab. Enter their name and mobile number, then click Assign Customer. Their details will now appear directly on the active table card for easy reference. To keep track of specific requests, open the Add Note tool, type your message, and save it. If the players order refreshments, click the cafe icon, select their items, like a cappuccino, and click Submit Orders. These items are immediately added to the table's running total. When the session is over, click End. The Process Bill window will appear, showing the combined total for table time and canteen orders. If they want to pay later, simply close the pop-up. The bill will stay safe in your pending list.